Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 17 of learning Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level, and in this video we will be discussing in detail about the different tools that are available in the review tab with the help of examples for the better understanding. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also please watch the remaining videos to learn completely the Microsoft Excel from basics to expert level. So in this video we will be discussing the tools that are available in the review tab. So in the review tab we have discussed, and with the help of examples, some tools in the previous video, which is the part 16. Means this and this one we have discussed in the previous video, and now we will be proceeding the learning of the remaining tools from here till here that are available in the review tabs with the help of example for the better understanding. So let's start the uh, tools that are available in the review tab. So till here we have discussed in the previous, so now we will be proceeding. This is the all these tools like new comment, delete previous, next, show hide comment, show all comments, and show end. So all these tools are categorized as the comments tools. So now we will be discussing one by one. So let's suppose this is a table, and in which this is the column in which the name of different students has been given, and this is the another column which shows the class number of each student, and this is the another table column which represents the marks obtained by individual students. So now here we want to write a comment on the persons who has topped this class. So the maximum marks obtained in this class, which is 90 marks, and this has been taken by this person whose class number is 7 and name is the Han Ahmad. So we have to add a comment to this that this is the topper. So we will select this cell and then we'll click on the new comment. You can see now you can write your comment here. So we write that this person is the topper, and now we want to close this comment. So we can click anywhere outside this comment box. So let's suppose we click here. So now you can see this is the small icon. So I want to zoom it. So it is not zooming in. So this red type of rectangle represents the comment. When the cursor goes to uh, this cell, so the comment will be automatically appeared. So now there is no comment added with this cell, and no comment has been added with this cell, and the comment has been added with this cell. So when you bring the cursor here, so the comment will be automatically visible. So now this is how you can add the new comment. And now if you want to delete the comment, so you will select that cell, and then you can see from here you can delete the comment. Now you can see the comment has been now deleted. Now if you want to, this is the next tool, which is the after delete, which is the previous comment, and this is the next comment. So this you can check the previous or next comment. The next tool is the show or hide comment. Through this you can show or hide the comment. So now you can see the comment is showing to everyone. If I click anywhere in the Excel sheet, the comment is now visible. And if you want to hide, so you will click on that cell in which you have added the comment, and then you will click on this show or hide, so you can hide the comment. So now you can see the comment has been hidden. The next one is show all comments. Through this you can show the all comments. And the next one is the show ink. Through this you can show or hide any ink annotations on the cell to specified cell. So this was all the tools associated with the comments. So now we will proceed to the next one, which is the changes category of tools. So the first one is the protect sheet. Through this you can protect your sheet when you click on this protect sheet. So now you can see this window will open, and here you can use your password for the uh, purpose to protect your sheet from the editing or any other purposes. And then we'll click on the OK. So the password, the sheet will be protected, and you can unprotect again when you click on this. So now you can see this is now unprotected, means protected. And now when you click, so you can see we cannot edit anything, and this give a warning. We cannot add or subtract, means we cannot edit anything in this sheet. We have now to protect, unprotect. Now it is unprotected, and we can change anything in this sheet. The next one is the protect workbook. Through this you can protect your whole workbook. When you click on the protect workbook, so this window, small window will open, and here this is the, or you can provide the passwords, which is the optional. And when you click on the OK, so now the workbook is protected, and you add the password and then click on the OK. You can see. So a workbook is basically the combination of different worksheets, or it may be a single sheet, but it is a separate Microsoft Excel workbook. In a file of Microsoft Excel is basically the workbook. The next one is the share workbook. Through this you can share your workbook when you click on this. So you can share your workbook. And the next one is the protect and share workbook. Through here you can protect and share your workbook. The next one is allow user to edit ranges. So through this you can allow the users to edit the ranges. The next one, and which is the last one, is the track changes. Through this you can apply the track changes to your data, and through this you can track the changes. So this was what all about the different tools that are available in the review tab. Now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section for the in order to clear your confusion. So thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we will be discussing the different tools that are available in the view tab, and their functions will be discussed.